will go for the next question to our gynecologist, Dr. Nupur Mata. That, Mataji, how should women balance their health, especially during menstruation or pregnancy, while still remaining peaceful and active in devotional service?
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Mataji. First, I would like to thank Prabhuji, Ramakrishna Prabhuji and Sachi Yashoda Mataji to provide us this platform and just to share our material knowledge to the people for the benefit of mankind.
Hare Krishna.
Last people can hear? The last bench can hear? Yes, sir.
Hare Krishna.
No problem. You just very close to your mouth. Yes.
So, I'm happy and thankful that I'm just sharing my material knowledge for the mankind. This question is indeed very deeply thoughtful and important, not especially for the women but all the women society, because these situations, ये जो सारे प्रोसेस हैं इसमें हमें सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं है कि वुमेन को इस बात के लिए अवेयर रहना चाहिए, बट सोसाइटी को भी अवेयर रहना चाहिए कि हाउ वी कैन सपोर्ट देम इन दोज सिचुएशंस, बिकॉज फॉर दैट वी हैव टू एस्पेक्ट्स, फॉर द सेल्फ अवेयरनेस एंड अनदर इज अ स्पिरिचुअल अवेयरनेस. फॉर सेल्फ अवेयरनेस वी नीड टू नो what is our body, what is the need of our body, because sometimes we feel like our energy levels are very high and sometimes our energy level is very low, and emotionally, mentally, every time our mood and our thoughts are changing, because menstruation, pregnancy, even menopause, these all are the hormonal imbalance situations, but these are physiologically normal situations, not like a disease. We need to take it as a normal physiology of our woman body. So giving respect to the body is giving respect to the God. So we need to know what are our demands during those days. When our menstruations are there or pregnancy is there, we are in the state of anxiety, in the state of doubt. So what we need from the family and from the society, just to provide us little care, love, affection and proper rest. And by the spiritual aspects, we know like a healthy mind resides in healthy body. So if we are our mood and health is healthy, so our body is healthy, then our mood and our thoughts will be appropriate to incline towards the devotional service. So in those things we need family support, physically by shouldering the responsibility, as another name Shaji Mataji was telling all of us, shouldering the responsibility, physical responsibility, helping, we need a helping hand during our whole household work, so that we get time to concentrate like in pregnancy. हम अपने नरसिम्हा पिक्चर देखी है, मूवी देखी है, उस पर हमने कयादू का रोल देखा है. जो प्रहलाद महाराज है वो हिरण्यकश्यप के पुत्र थे. हिरण्यकश्यप इज द ग्रेटेस्ट demon and Prahlad Maharaj was the greatest bhakta. So how it happened? Because of that association before that, during pregnancy, how condition would provide to Kayadu. So नारद मुनि के एसोसिएशन से, उनकी इंस्पिरेशन, उनकी शिक्षा से वो सारी जो टीचिंग्स हैं वो प्रहलाद महाराज ने इवन नॉट ड्यूरिंग द प्रेगनेंसी, बिफोर प्रेगनेंसी ऑल्सो वो सब उन्होंने सीखा और एक अच्छे भक्त बने. प्रेगनेंसी बिफोर प्रेगनेंसी में, इवन बिफोर प्रेगनेंसी वी हैव सो मेनी संस्कारास, गर्भधारण संस्कार, इवन एट 7 months we have semen sanskara. For we need to, if we come to know, there are so many sanskaras, but these are very important while we are planning, we were planning to conceive. So in that we need to offer prayers or asking blessing from Vaishnavas, chant holy names together, and then we need to think that We want a soul in our who can serve in humankind and serve Krishna.
Thank you.